comfortably in the seat.
Mind if I join you?
Oh, yeah.
Once seated, secure the disposable zipper pouch behind your legs and fasten your seatbelt. Please do not attempt to pull down the lap bar at this time.
All right, the pockets have been checked. All right.
Please pull down your lap bar and secure it firmly to your legs.
Just get off and get
During your ride,
Okay.
please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, and legs down inside the train at all
If there's an
times.
empty seat, can I ride again? Yeah. I might have to hop back in with you.
Clean it. So we're doing this, and I am going to go back to Montu, Cheetah Hut, try to catch a couple more before the end of the day.
Gotcha. I might stay here for the rest of the night.
My girlfriend doesn't like the roller coaster, so kind of sucks.
I'm probably gonna stay here the rest of the night because this ride's really good.
Well, there's like nobody here.
Oh, there's lots of bees up there. I like that. I do like this drop though.
Oh yeah.
Yes, yes.
That was great. Oh, that was your first time?
Yeah.
Oh, you need to do the back.
That's what I'm doing next.
It's so good in the back.
Oh. Front's fun too.
Yeah.
This is the first time I ever rode front roller coaster.
Oh, really?
So that was exciting.
Yeah, it's a pretty good dynamic change because in the front you get the view and then you get the wind rushing in your
Right.
face. The back, especially on this ride, you get the pull on the drop. Yeah, Sheikra had a little bit of a long line today. Normally it's not long.
Are you an annual pass member?
I'm an annual pass member, but I'm from New Jersey.
Okay. How often are you down here?
I usually try and come down at least once a year.
Okay.
Once a year, sometimes twice. 3 is a gift.
Right.
One day I'd like to try and move down here.
I'm from here, but I live in Denver for the past 14 years.
Unbuckle your seatbelt. Collect all personal belongings and exit quickly and carefully to your right. Thank you for riding Iron Gwazi